Hey there! Today I just wanted to quickly walk you through how to add a custom font into Can-Do. Cool, okay, so you'll see that currently I'm on the Adobe Fonts page to just download a custom font. You may have this in a style sheet in your app, but I just want to walk you through doing it this way to make it a little easier to visualize. So I'm going to select this one. You can see there's 3 fonts in this family. You can do as many fonts in a family as you want. They'll get added to Can-Do properly. But the first thing I'm going to do is select the font and go into the main page for it. And like I said, this is this Adobe font specific in terms of downloading it, but what you're looking for is the same link no matter what. So it may, like I said, be in your style sheet, it may be on this download page, but you're going to be looking for effectively a very similar looking link no matter what. So once this page loads, you'll see I'm going to add embed it in a web page to get the link that I want, and then all I need is that link to move it over into Can-Do. I'll let this page load for a second. Great. And now that it's loaded, I can click this Add to Web Project button, which is going to bring up a modal that gives me the next set of steps that I need. So Add to Web Project. And now from here, I'm going to create a new project with the name so that I know what it is. This is the name that will pull through into Can-Do, so make sure you give it a name that makes sense to you, that you and your team down the line can track. So I'll hit Create a New Project, and that'll give me the chance to name this. So this one's called Alternate Gothic, so we'll type that in there. Now that we have that, we'll click the Create button. So the next thing that comes up is actually the exact thing that we need. So you'll see that it's actually a whole CSS embed code. We don't need the whole embed, we just need this. It starts with HTTP and it ends with .css. This is the link that we're looking for. So we're gonna Command C copy, and then we're gonna head over into Can-Do. So in Can-Do, what we need to do is go into a piece of content and open up our style guide. In the style guide, we'll go into text, and then we're going to open up, I'm going to do paragraph, but you can really add it anywhere, and then click this Use Custom Font button. And then I'm just going to paste in that link that I copied. So like I said, it ends with .css, that's important. It'll probably say something about a typekit. It might look different depending on where you're downloading it from, and it'll start with as HTTP. Then I'll hit Add, and then you'll see I have one custom font already in there. This new custom font that I've added will add on top of it. And then once that's happened, I can select it and I can use it for any of these headings. The more font kits that are in there, you'll see that with this old one that I added, if there are multiple packages that go along with it, multiple will show up here. So I can now just select this alternate Gothic #1, and I'll use it as my paragraph text. And sometimes it takes just a second to pop up, but there it is. You'll now see we have it in there, and we can play around with it just like any other font. So I'm going to make this one a little bigger since it's naturally small, make it 24, and you'll see it does all the things they normally do in Can-Do. Awesome. Hopefully this helps. Thanks.